Our purpose as readers today. I can use what I know to better understand unknown vocabulary words in a text. Survival. List two things a plant needs for survival. Describe what happens when a player intercepts a ball. Contributions. What contributions can people make to help an animal shelter? Give two examples. Operations. List two computer operations you can do. Diversity. Circle words and phrases that are synonyms for diversity. Variety, many kinds, sameness. Recruits. Who would you ask to be recruits for a soccer team? Name two people. Explain your choices. Enlisted. What would you do to get people to enlist for a cleanup project in the community? Bulletin.